Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2026 Ford Raptor, full wrap with the XPEL Stealth film. It's a satin grade film to make the vehicle look like a satin finish. Some people call it matte. It was truly a satin. Matte's a little bit more dry looking. Film is paint protection film, a TPU. It still self-heals, still doesn't need any waxing, and defends against rock impacts. The window film is XR Plus, 70 on the windshield, and 20% all the way around. In the back, these trucks, just like SUVs, come with privacy glass that has no quality as far as IR or UV, and the fronts come clear unless the dealer wanted to tint them, which this guy did, and we took it off and put on XR Plus. Most dealers carry just a low-grade dyed window film, which rejects very little of IR and UV. Let's start with the install. So before we did the PPF install, we did a full decon, wash, and a polish on the vehicle. But before we started, we discovered that it had ceramic on it. We weren't aware of that from the owner. You can't have ceramic on a car before you put PPF on it. There's times where we put a light, not aggressive ceramic, maybe to get a piece of film across some aggressive turns and pieces on hoods or whatever, but this thing was with like a 5-year ceramic, so it's pretty slick. We don't want to build a surface in between the clear coat of the paint and the adhesive on the PPF. So for you newbies out there, ceramic coating before PPF, not the best idea, and ceramic coating after is what should go over this. So the ceramic over the PPF is the best way to do it. Moving forward, let's go over our install. So just like our gloss wraps with a matte wrap, satin wrap, we're gonna make sure we don't want any gloss edges showing. So pieces like this come off, mirrors come out, so we have a nice all matte. All these moldings come off, no gloss. I've seen it where there's gloss edges everywhere. Handles come out real simple. These handles are done in 2 pieces. We can't make all these turns. They would come up later. So you'll see the gloss insert here. You'll see a little seam here that shows it, but other than that, every edge is wrapped. Up top, all these edges and corners, all this is all wrapped in. These rubbers come back. So it's a nice, clean satin look. The fuel door is fully wrapped. Inside here for the quarter, fully wrapped. Underneath all these edges, these caps all wrapped. The owner had us go over this decal. Looks really good. Air lines will come down. Back here, we went inside all of these edges, so there's no gloss. It looks like a paint job. All that came off, the lights, everything looks really good. This is how we do it. Tail lights come out, no problem. So there's no gloss anywhere. So if you have one of these and you have a bunch of gloss edges, doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just you have a two-tone looking satin wrap. But this is the benefit of wrapping the edges. Obviously, rocks can hit anywhere, but when you wash a car, those exposed edges will take on the wear and tear, especially from wiping with aggressive towels and things like that. When you take your car to the dealership, typically they do a wash, but they're not going to treat it nice. I always do a do not wash when I take my cars in for service. I don't want them touching it because they use towels that are probably never washed. Again, on this side, much like the other side, all wrapped in. And here you'll see the gloss paint all wrapped in nicely. The box all wrapped in. Everything's nice and neat, just like the other side. And that's the install on this 2026 Raptor. Before that, we had a green Raptor R. Now we have a black Raptor with the V6 twin turbo. And there it is, the XPEL Ultimate Plus Stealth film, the XPEL XR Plus window film. 10-year guarantee on the PPF. Our installations cover the same amount of time, all in writing. The XPEL window film is a lifetime transferable guarantee, and we give you all that paperwork. And now we're starting to input it for you, and then you'll get an email. But we track all the roll numbers. XPEL tracks them. We give them to you, so you know you got an authentic product. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas in Argyle. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com is our website. ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail is how you get a hold of us if you want to email. Two of our 4 phone numbers, landline 214-414-3809 and cell 940-703-8301. Take care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us.